AI has grown extremely intelligent in past few years. It can generate images, videos, articles in just matter of seconds that humans would take hours to produce. AI can even reason now. Is future good for us or it isn't? Can AI replace humans? Let's find out. Hi, I am Anand Trivedi and I have over 12 years of experience deep diving into AI. I have built AI systems from scratch. I've trained them just like we train humans. I have seen AI systems evolve over past 7 to 8 years. And especially after 2017, it has been a very fascinating journey. I'm here to find out the answer. I'm here to take you through a journey where we'll be finding, will AI ever replace humans? Will AI ever surpass human intelligence? To solve this puzzle, we will have to understand how does AI thinks and learns. Neural networks are inspired by brain cells of humans, and they are the architecture behind the intelligence of artificial intelligence. This is a small AI demonstration where we are trying to demonstrate how AI solves problem. This is a classification problem where AI is trying to differentiate between blue dots and orange dots. In the middle of the screen, you see are multiple neurons. Each neuron is capable of thinking differently, and when they are combined together, combinedly, they make a very intelligent system. As soon as I start running this application, it will start its work. So let's start. As we start, we can see AI has started differentiating between these dots, and very quickly it is able to differentiate it. This is a comparable easy problem. In real world, even the neural networks are quite complex and even the problems very complex. To find out this answer, we'll have to deep dive. Not functionally. Functionally, many of us know that AI is an excellent content writer. It can generate images, videos. It's a fair mathematician. We'll have to deep dive into bit technical details. What has changed over past 5 to 6 years? What caused rise of ChatGPT and other large language models? In 2017, transformer models, a new innovative model architecture, increased intelligence of models drastically. Unlike previous models that could read small information and still struggle to solve complex problems, transformers could read huge amount of information and solve really complex problems that we see around. We started seeing innovative applications like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and video generation with this innovation. AI has come a long way. They have become really smart, but they are far from being perfect. They hallucinate. They consume a lot of power. So just to give you a reference, to train one large language model just like ChatGPT and Gemini, some language models require power as much as 1,000 household require in 1 year. That's lots of power. It requires a lot of money. So just to achieve what human can do in a very imperfect way, someone will have to spend a lot of money on these large language models. So obviously, as of now, humans are safe. This state of AI will not be able to replace humans. But will it ever be able to? And well, we'll have to find out. Now, these are my thoughts. from my experience, what I'll be presenting to you, some of the things that I have been researching myself, whatever the research papers show, and in which direction this research is going on. GPT just released their new reasoning models. Sam Altman has been talking about Project Strawberry since long. Basically, they are approaching for a high advanced AI that can think just like humans or better than humans. But then, all of these are still on transformers. We need new architectures. While there are already architectures like Mamba, Informer, Linformer, which are more efficient, but we need something more. We need novel architecture that can learn on less data, that is more efficient and more intelligent. It should be able to solve complex mathematical problems because mathematics is actually the benchmark of intelligence. With the amount of research that we are pouring in AI, this will be soon possible. But then the question is, what's next? What if we make a super intelligent AI? Will humans be prosperous or they will be in danger? So let's assume AI becomes this intelligent. It is able to surpass human intelligence. What do humans do next? I mean, is it a problem for humans? It depends. I mean, this is a topic of discussion, maybe a complete new video topic. AI falls into which hands? If AI falls into good hands, humanity can evolve. If AI falls into greedy hands who just want to mint money, then yes, we have a problem. What are your thoughts? Please leave them in the comment below. Thank you. Thank you for hearing me out.